If you've ever been hit by one of these snapping and coming off a vehicle, go ahead and hit the like button. So in order to remove the serpentine belt from the front of the vehicle, you want to look and find the tensioner, which is this piece right here. The easiest way to tell that it's the tensioner is you'll see space on the back side for this thing to be twisted in order to relieve tension off the belt. When removing your serpentine belt, be sure to pay attention to the orientation of the belt as it moves from the crank pulley to the AC compressor pulley to the power steering pump pulley, over the water pump pulley, over the alternator pulley, and around your tensioner. Now they do make special tools for your tensioner, but I just prefer loosening the bolt and depressing the spring in order to remove the belt. Just loosen it enough so that you can compress the spring inside the tensioner and get your belt off. Now that your old belt is off, you're ready to put your new one back in the correct orientation and tighten the nut on your tensioner.